If your rear access vehicle is equipped with a manual door and manual ramp, firstly open the rear door or doors fully from outside of the vehicle. Standing facing the vehicle beside the ramp, press the release button and gently pull the top of the ramp outward. Assist by holding the ramp on the side until ramp is fully deployed. In case of battery failure, use manual release, located on each side of the ramp. When stowing the ramp, lift from the side. Once ramp is in the stow position, press firmly against the locks to ensure positive engagement. Once ramp is fully stowed, close rear door or doors.